Okay, so first of all, you have to download the Android Studio. So find the Android Studio on Google. As you can see, this is the first result. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment. So just click on the official website or click on the install Android or download Android. It's up to you. Just click on the official website. So now, as you can see, this is the official website. So you can also go to the download sections if you want to go. So at the home page, as you can see, it's saying Android Studio. Download Android Studio. Just click on this one. So this is it. These are the terms and conditions. Just check out and download Android Studio. So as you can see, this is the version of the Android Studio. 2024.2.1 for Windows. If you're a Mac user, you can download the related version. Just click on this one where you can keep the setup. I'm going to just keep the setup in the download sections. Anaya, छोड़ो. Once you clicked on the download, so as you can see, now we are going to download the entire school. So it's 1.1 GB set. So next time it's totally depend upon your internet speed. Since I have connected with the Wi-Fi, so it takes I think from 15 to 20 minutes. So when we complete the setup, we're gonna start. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the Android Studio. Double click on this one. So once you download and install, then we're gonna discuss about the settings. Okay, as you can see, this is the path where you are installing the Android Studio. So it's saying uninstall older version. A version of the Android Studio is already installed. It is recommended to move older versions. So I'm saying first I need to uninstall this version. Then I'm gonna install the latest version. So welcome to the Android Studio. So this is the latest version. If I go to the click on the next button, so as you can see, you are going to install the Android Studio, Android virtual device. So we need the virtual device to test our uh, the functionality which we are going to create. Just click on the next button, and this is the path where you are installing the Android Studio. So as you can see, this is the 500 MB space you need. So just click on the next button. So as you can see, this is the Android Studio, and this is the start menu folder where you are. So I'm going to the default one. It's just I'm going to click on the next button. It's now installing the setup. As you can see, the setup was completely successfully installed. So if you click on the next button, as you can see, it's saying start Android Studio. I'm saying finish. So now I'm going to start the Android Studio. So Android Studio. So as you can see, this is the environment. I was working on a specific project for with the React Native. So as you can see, this is the device environment. If I click on the plus button, as you can see, it's saying create virtual device. Just click on this one. You can select any kind of device which you are going to use. I'm using the phone. So as you can see, it's a Pixel 9 Pro foldable phone. It's a Pixel 9. So it's a 8-inch device, it's a 6.3-inch device. I'm selecting the Pixel 9 Pro. Just click on the next button. As you can see, it's saying select the image. So if you're going to select the image, so this is the vanilla. So 35, you can select any kind of image which you need or according to the need. So 15.0, 14.0. So I'm saying install this one. So this is the by default setup. I'm saying finish. So now So as you can see, it's saying starting up. Okay, so before doing this, you have to enable the virtualizations. So now if I go to the controller, okay, so if you go to the program and also features, as you can see here, 10 Windows features on or off. Just click on this one, find the Windows hypervisor and also so Windows hy- at the bottom, as you can see, it's Windows hypervisor. I have just click on this one, enable this one. You have to enable this one. So, and also you have to enable Hyper-V, Windows, just Hyper-V. So just find the Hyper-V. If it's available here, just enable that particular Hyper-V. So as you can see, virtual machine platforms. I have also enabled this one. So you have to enable this one because this is necessary to virtualize, because we always use the virtual devices to show the outputs.